While there are no new cases of coronavirus in Montana today, last week officials with the Montana Fish, Wildlife and Parks announced that one county has its first positive case of chronic wasting disease. MTN's Gabby Crevitt reports on how FWP is asking for your help in managing the disease.
Not new to the state of Montana. It's been around since 2017. But FWP reported late last week a white-tailed deer buck did test positive for the fatal disease, making it the first confirmed case of CWD in Gallatin County.
We knew chronic wasting disease was on the way to this part of the state. Really, we've seen it kind of move its way to the interior of the state.
Chronic wasting disease, or CWD, is a fatal neurological disease affecting deer, elk, and moose. It's something that FWP takes very seriously because it affects the health of the state's wildlife herds and has a widespread effect.
It has the potential to impact the wildlife here in Montana and the recreation opportunities that come with that and other factors.
The deer in Gallatin County was reported by residents near the Spring Hill area in Bozeman, showing common symptoms of the disease: limited mobility, wide posture, a droopy head and ears, and salivating.
We went out, euthanized the animal, tested it for chronic wasting disease, and it came back positive.
The state is working to manage the disease and is asking for the public's help. If you see a deer, elk, or moose displaying the classic symptoms, call FWP to report the animal.
The way that Montana Fish, Wildlife and Parks manages chronic wasting disease involves a lot of participation and input and cooperation from the public of Montana.
And the newly confirmed case may have an impact on hunters in the area as well.
CWD is a reality. People who hunt should be aware that there may be other restrictions in how they handle their carcass and process their game, how they transport it and how they dispose of it.
In Bozeman, Gabby Crevitt, MTN News.
And FWP says one symptom they're not looking for is if a deer appears skinny and frail. They say that's common for deer this time of year and does not need to be reported.